All right. Hi, guys. Welcome to our Literacy Friday. I can't believe it's April already. We are going to be doing an interactive read aloud. We would normally be doing this on our smartboard. So let's see how this works today. Okay. The messy invention. Have you noticed that we've been doing inventions all week? Okay. The messy invention. One afternoon in 1946, I made an exciting discovery. Here's what happened. I needed an afternoon snack, so I grabbed a chocolate bar. But I had to check the lab first, so I put the chocolate in my pocket for later. What do you guys think happened? Okay, now, the narrator is the person who is telling the story. Okay, the person who tells the story is the narrator. It's kind of like the voice of the book, okay? A narrator who is also a character uses what to tell a story? Uses what to tell a story? He uses his voice to tell a story, okay? So he uses the word I because he is the one talking. It is his voice. And who is what is his name? His name is Perry Spencer. So he used I made an exciting discovery. I needed an afternoon snack, so I grabbed a chocolate bar. But I had to check the lab first. So I put the chocolate in my pocket. He is the one telling the story. He is the narrator. While I was checking the lab, I saw a magnetron. What an interesting machine, I thought. Suddenly, my pocket felt warm and mushy. My chocolate bar had melted. Uh-oh. Okay. Narrators can talk about what they do or think. Now look at those quotation marks are usually how we explain when somebody's talking. But look at what comes after it. I thought. So my thought is actually in my head, but because I'm telling the story, I can say what my thought is. So while I was checking the lab, I saw a magnetron. It's what he saw. Okay, he saw it. We didn't know what he saw, but he did tell us what he saw. He saw a magnetron, and then we got to see what he was thinking or hear what he was thinking. Look at this, Paul. The magnetron melted my chocolate, I said. I wonder what else it could do. Then I had an idea. I will get some popcorn. Maybe it will pop the popcorn, I announced. Okay, so let's see. The narrator is using what we call a dialogue. A dialogue is when they talk to somebody else. Narrators who are also characters can talk to other characters. So here is our narrator, and here is another character, Paul. Okay, and he was talking. Look at this, Paul. The magnetron melted my chocolate, I said. Okay, so he's talking to this character, somebody that's not him. I put the popcorn in front of the magnetron. Pop, pop, pop. Popcorn flew all over the room. This is amazing, Percy, I heard Paul shout. The magnetron is better than an oven. It cooks much faster. Can anybody guess what's happening or what their invention is going to be? Narrators can tell what other characters do. So our narrator told us what Paul was saying. I heard Paul shout. He heard what he was saying. This will make it easier for people to cook in the future, I replied. This new machine will cook things in seconds. We made history today. I think I'll call it the microwave. You are going to be famous, said Paul. Someday everyone will use your invention. Guys, who saw that one coming? Who saw that it was going to be turning into a microwave? As soon as I saw that popcorn, I knew it. All right, guys, we are going to be all done. This is our only story to share on Friday. Make sure that you look at Seesaw for your spelling test, and make sure that you have done the read on your own books, both stories, and because those ones are about inventions too, and they're pretty cool stories. I will see you guys next time.